Let's move into how do I make the text or the words bigger on the screen. So to do this, we'll need to go to the settings. We're going to swipe down from the top of the screen, take your finger, drag it down the screen. You're going to go to the upper right corner and tap on the settings wheel. And here we're going to go to display. And then from here, we want to go to font size and style. Tap there. And here you're going to find a few options you can utilize to make the words bigger. Now, first, start with the font size and just drag this little blue bubble to the right and you'll see how big the text gets up here. You can go super big or maybe try to go one notch up at a time, hit the home button and see if the words are big enough for you. Now if you want to go back to make changes, use your recent apps button, tap here, and then you can go right back to the settings. Hey, let's move it up one more and go home. Let's see how that looks. Okay, the words look a little bit bigger, that's good. Recent apps, go back again, move it over again. Words are getting bigger. So this is an easy way to go back and forth to be able to see if you like how big the words are. Keep in mind when you go to text messages, everything is going to be larger in here as well. So there's that. Hit our recent apps. We can go back to settings again. You can also make the font bold so the words will be even slightly thicker. So we hit the home button here. Our words are even thicker. So if you like that, now you know that's how big you need to make it. And these are the two main changes you would make, changing the font size and making it bold to make the text bigger. Now, when you go to Google Chrome, for example, you'll notice that the words on the website is words on web pages are also going to be bigger as well. Some sites, it's not going to change, but for the most part, they will change. If the video was helpful, make sure you bump that like button down below. Also, here is going to be a playlist of more videos to help you continue learning, and you'll find another great video here as well. Thanks for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.